At COSI, we believe science is everywhere and for everyone. It shouldn't matter if you're in our building in downtown Columbus or at home with your family. That's why we've created COSI Connects Kits, a themed kit with a week's worth of STEM activities delivered right to your front door. Ever wonder how a ship as big as the Titanic could float? Or how water striders are able to walk on water? Water is all around us, and the COSI Connects Water Kit explores all sorts of water-related science activities. This kit is perfect for kids in grades K through 8. Included, you will find all the instructions, links to videos, a collectible pin, and supplies that you need to complete science activities. Discover the fun of science in the comfort of your own home today. Learn more about COSI Connects Kits at cosi.org.